Hello and welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. These are mathematical reasoning questions from 2019 Set B for class 5. Now I am posting questions, solutions and answers. You will learn the tips and tricks. So for that subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for new uploads. Let's start the video with question 16. Which of the following options will replace the question mark in the same order as in the options to make the number sentence true? Now see the given equations. Now you have to solve the equation and you have to choose from A, B, C, D which operators will come in place of question mark. You can check out the answer at the end of video. Question number 17. Which of the following figures shows 3/4 as unshaded fraction? Now 4 options are given. You have to choose which figure shows 3/4 as unshaded fraction. Now see part 1. So their total number of parts are 16 and unshaded parts are 8. So unshaded fraction will be 8 by 16 which is equivalent to 1 by 2. Now option B, total parts are 8, unshaded parts are 4. Now unshaded fraction will be 4 by 8 which is again 1 by 2. Now option C, total parts are 8, unshaded parts are 6. Unshaded fraction will be 6 by 8 which is equals to 3 by 4. So this is the correct option. Question number 18. In an examination, marks obtained by 3 boys are as follows. Tarun, second multiple of 32. Manish, fifth multiple of 17. Vishal, greatest factor of 45. Now which of the following shows the correct descending order of boys according to their marks? Now first solve how many marks Tarun, Manish and Vishal got. You can see the hint and then arrange them in descending order. In 63650, the place value of 6 at the thousands place is dash times the place value of 6 at the lakhs place. So first find out the place value of 6 at thousands place and place value of 6 at the lakhs place and then find out thousand place is how many times of lakhs place. You can see the answer at the end of video. Question number 20. Find the weights of 3 cans plus 1 book. Now the weight of 4 cans is given which is 400. So first find out the weight of 1 can and then find out the weight of 3 cans. Similarly, the weight of 5 books is given. So first find out the weight of 1 book and then substitute the values in the given equation and find the weight of this equation. Question 21. The value of CDLVI plus CMVII minus DXCVI is. Now see the value of CDLVI. We will break it into CD plus L plus VI. Now CD is 500 minus 100 equals to 400. D is 500, C is 100. Now as C appears left to D, so it will get subtract from D. So CD will be 400. L is 50 and VI is 6. V is 5 and I is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6, as I appears on the right side of V. Now second is CMVII. Now we will break it into CM plus VII equals to CM is 1000 minus 100. Now M is 1000, C is 100. So 1000 minus 100 is 900. And VII is 5 plus 1 plus 1, 7. So 900 plus 7 is 907. Now dxCVI equals to d plus xc plus vi. So d is 500, xc is 100 minus 10, 90, and vi is 6. 5 plus 1, 6, which is equals to 596. Now substitute this value in the equation and find out the value. Question 22. Three water bottles X, Y and Z contain 920 ml of water altogether. Bottle X contains three water bottles X, Y and Z contain 920 ml of water altogether. Bottle X contains twice as much water as bottle Y. Bottle Z contains 20 milliliter less water than bottle X. How much quantity of water is there in bottle Z? Now, as per the question, XYZ contains 920 ml of water altogether. That means X plus Y plus Z is 920 ml. Now, bottle X contains twice as much water as bottle Y, means X equals to 2Y. Now Z contains 20 ml less water than bottle X, means Z is equals to X minus 20. Now X is 2Y, so we will place the value 2Y minus 20. Now by solving equations 1, 2 and 3, so substitute the values of X and Z in equation 1, we will get 2y plus 2y minus 20 equals to 920 ml, or 5y minus 20 is 920 and y equals to 940 divided by 5 equals to 188. So here we get the value of y. Now x is 2y. So find out x, then z is x minus 20. So substitute the value of x in third equation, you will get z. Question number 23. Which of the following statement is are true? Now first is predecessor of 6 millions is 59 lakh 99,999. Second is estimated value of largest 6-digit number rounded to the nearest hundreds is smallest 7-digit number. Now hint is given for both. 6 million is 60 lakhs. Now find out the predecessor by subtracting 1 from 60 lakhs and then check whether the statement 1 is true or false. Similarly for second, largest 6-digit number is 999,999. Now smallest 7-digit, how we will get? By adding 1 to the largest 6-digit number. Now check the second is true or false. Question number 24. Add the fourth multiple of 52 and the eighth multiple of 37. The value obtained is 700 less than the given symbol. Find the value of the symbol. Now you can see the hint. Fourth multiple of 52 means 52 into 4. Eighth multiple of 37, 37 into 8. Now add them and subtract it from 700. You will get the answer. Check your answers here. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe. Write in comments what you like in the video and what you dislike in the video.